Today's topic is what is malware forensics? What is the objective of malware analysis? As we all know that malware is a software designed to destroy or exfiltrate or to give control to external people. Malware examples are virus, trojan, ransomware, etc. Cyber attackers use malware to attack any device, computer, mobile phone, or even entire computer network of any organization. And objectives of the malware forensics team or cyber forensics team is to identify the malware, malicious code if there is any, and what is the intention of that malware. Malware forensics team always work in a protective and controlled environment, and they perform a very detailed malware analysis to know what is the type of malware, what is the objective of malware, does it have any long term goal or only a short term goal, how does it work, is this new type of malware or its signature are already available in the signature library. If it is a totally new type of malware and forensics team does not have any information about it, in that case it opens lots of new work possibilities or scope for research. Because there is no clue about it and it's extremely difficult to gauge the harm it has provided or it has the potential. So, forensics team further look for whether it has exploited any vulnerability or did it download any malicious file, did it modify any system Windows file, what are the impact on the computer network or device or on organization, because it may harm organization's reputation also, and they find and prosecute the cyber criminals. So, this is all the objective of cyber forensics team, and there are tools and techniques available to analyze malware and its behavior. Broadly, analysis is of two types. One is a static malware analysis. In it, team collects information about the malicious application without running it. Technical indicators are identified as file names, hashes, IP addresses, domains and file header data. It can be used to determine whether that file is malicious or not. Second type is dynamic analysis. In this, they analyze the malware after running it in a sandbox. And dynamic analysis provides deeper visibility to threat hunters and incident responders. It provides them and helps them to uncover the nature of the threat. And investigators do perform memory analysis to collect and analyze memory artifacts to learn more about the malware. So, this is all for today on malware analysis. Do keep sharing these useful videos with others as well.